Hello friends, this is Sylvia Kuria. Welcome to my little herb collection in my kitchen. I wanted to share the herbs I'm going to be using this week and just share some few tips. Some people have been asking, what is marjoram? What do you do with it? So today I'm going to be sharing what I have and what I do with everything. So here I have some mint. I really love mint. I take mint, ginger, and mint, ginger, and marjoram tea every night. It really helps me sleep well. If you have any sleep problems, if you feel you can't relax in the evening, if you're feeling bloated, it's also good for your digestion. It just helps to quick up the digestion. It's amazing. So guys, have some mint with you. I also know some recipes where people cook with meat or with lamb. It also goes very well. And I think even fish, if I'm not too wrong. Okay, so here I have some curry leaves. We actually have a curry tree on the farm. We don't have lots of it, so I can't sell for now, but I recommend you can maybe get it in Diamond Plaza in Parklands. But curry leaves is amazing. It's very good for your lentils, your beans, even your meat dishes. It just brings an amazing flavor, especially if you love cooking Indian. It's one of the must-have, for your Indian recipes. Here we have some fresh thyme. Fresh thyme, we use it. What I like with thyme, you can actually make a thyme butter. So you just basically just remove the leaves and mix it with some butter and make some amazing thyme butter, which you can use with your fish. And there are a lot of recipes for thyme and chicken. Thyme can also be used in tea. I like to use it when I do my herbed pasta. So I would basically chop up a bit of mint, a bit of thyme, a bit of marjoram, and sage. I'm coming up to sage. And that makes a very nice mixture. Mix it with butter and add it to your pastas, and you have a very nice herbed pasta. Lovely. It's real quick here, we have marjoram. So this is dried marjoram. So what happens when we don't sell it in the shop, and some dried mint, you can see it here. When we don't sell the marjoram in the shop, I don't like it to go to waste. So I just put it like on a tray out in the sun for 2 days, and you have it nice and dry, but it's still very flavorful. And I like to use it, as I said, in my teas. I like to use it in the mint tea. I also like to use it with the meat dishes and with my pasta dishes. You can use it with potatoes, and yeah, with potatoes and soup. You can also add it to your soups. It gives a very good flavor. Then here we have some sage. The leaves are starting to dry out a little, which is perfectly okay because I also like the herbs dried. Sage goes well with potatoes. It goes well with pork. We'll have some in the shop next week together with some thyme. Pork, potatoes. You can also make sage butter, which you can add to your chicken, and you can add to your fish, or you can add to your vegetable dishes. Then here we have coriander. Almost everybody knows what is coriander or dhania. I garnish it on almost all my meals. It's very nice with your vegetables, with your meat, with your pilau, with your rice, with salad, guacamole. I mean, dhania is for everything. And then here we have fenugreek. It almost looks like dhania. It can be a bit confusing, but it has these small, beautiful yellow flowers. Fenugreek is also, or methi, is also found in the Indian cuisines. It does well with potatoes. Aloo methi was one of my favorite dishes when we're eating a lot of Indian food. Aloo methi, aloo is potato, methi is fenugreek, and it's very nice with potatoes. You can also use it in beans. I love to use it in my beans. Just chop it up. It just brings a new burst of flavor in your beans. In your chicken, can also work very well. Yeah. And then finally, we have leek. We've been telling guys to cook with leek. So we have a lot of leek onions. It's amazing. I love leek for all my dishes. Right now, we don't have a lot of red onions, but I use a lot of leek. I add it to my soups. I use it in leek and potato soup is very, very yummy and creamy. And I also use it in cooking all my greens, my stir fries. I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my short little herb video. And let me know what else you want me to share about, and we'll see you guys next week.